Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the grid method for outlining. This powerful technique helps you organize your thoughts and information visually, making complex projects much more manageable. It's an excellent way to ensure all your key points are covered and logically connected, providing a clear roadmap for your writing or presentation. We'll explore how to set up and populate your grid effectively. To begin, create a simple grid, either on paper or digitally. Think of your rows as the main sections or ideas of your project, perhaps 4 or 5 key areas. Your columns will represent different aspects or subpoints for each main idea, such as supporting details, examples, or counterarguments. Clearly labeling these will be crucial for organization. Now, start filling in your grid. For each cell, jot down brief notes, keywords, or short phrases that represent a specific piece of information. Remember, each entry should align with both the main topic of its row and the category of its column. This structured approach helps you quickly identify gaps in your research or arguments. Once your grid is populated, take time to review and refine it. Look for areas where information might be missing or where the flow could be improved. Don't hesitate to move cells or even entire rows and columns to achieve the best structure. Your completed grid will serve as a comprehensive and flexible blueprint, guiding you through the writing process with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.